Need a powerful, versatile spray for your car, patio, or garden? Check out this high-pressure water gun, a simple hose attachment that turns your garden tap into a cleaning beast. Made from tough engineering plastic, it's built to last. Switch between multiple spray patterns, from a gentle mist for plants to a concentrated jet that blasts away dirt and mud. The ergonomic palm grip handle gives you comfort and control, making it easy to wash cars, clean driveways, water the lawn, or rinse outdoor furniture. No chemicals, no batteries, just pure water pressure. It's an affordable, eco-friendly upgrade to your hose that makes every cleaning task faster and more effective. Ready to power wash anything in your path? Check the link in the description below to buy this high-pressure water gun now. Thanks for watching, and spray clean.